How to turn off Ask permission on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Google Play Store on your device. Now sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at top right and then select setting option to access settings section. Scroll to the bottom and choose family. Tap on the arrow next to it, and from this expanded bar, tap on parental controls. In case if you have turned on parental controls on Google Play Store, you have to ask permission every time. So in order to turn off ask permission on Google Play Store, toggle the button off for parental controls and enter your PIN. Now simply tap on the button and toggle the button off. And after that, you will successfully turn off ask permissions on Google Play Store. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.